Mr. Newman, I'm assuming that you're looking for some humans. The brains are getting riper, but there's lots of work to do. I'll provide you with a manifest of all the new arrivals. I'm certain that there's something here for you. There's Alabaster, Leopold, and Maximiliano. Lawrence is a bargain, you can have him for a song. Oh, the places you will go with all the people you will know in the magical menagerie of souls. You will find your muse, your font of inspiration. With some minor contemplation, the words will write themselves in the darkest realm of shadowy existence, the strangest minds that we can breed. Satisfaction guaranteed. Mr. Newman, you were choosing, so while you are perusing, I wanna catch you up on some experiments we're doing.